how to reach board 5 in Monopoly Go. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can reach board 5 in Monopoly Go, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you basically want to reach board 5, so first of all make sure to follow along with me. You can open the Monopoly Go game. Now reaching board 5 can be done incredibly fast. Monopoly Go, first make sure that you have acquired enough funds by simply rolling the dice, right? So they give you a couple of deals when you first log in. Just make sure to roll that and acquiring them over the board. Once you know that you have enough funds, all that you have to do is to reach any higher board, including board 5, is to go into the build window in here. So you can fix your buildings if they were shut down, and then afterwards you can also go ahead and upgrade them. So you can go ahead and upgrade all of them as necessary. You can advance boards in Monopoly Go by constructing every single landmark inside of a certain board. So as you can see, you still need more upgrades to be able to go into the next board and so on. And this way you should be able to reach board 5 in Monopoly Go. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.